If you've been looking to build an affiliate marketing funnel and wondering how to do that in GetResponse, you're in the right place. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly create a funnel in GetResponse, and I'll even tell you about a better alternative that might be a game changer for your affiliate marketing goals. First off, let's jump into GetResponse. To start, you'll want to log into your GetResponse account. Once inside, head to the Funnel Builder section. Now, GetResponse makes it easy to set up your affiliate marketing funnel with its drag-and-drop builder, but there are a few things to keep in mind when creating a high-converting funnel. The next thing you'll need to do is choose a template. GetResponse offers several funnel templates, but they're mostly general and don't always suit the needs of affiliate marketers. You can choose a template that's designed for lead generation, but be aware that you'll need to customize it heavily to make sure it's built to convert affiliate clicks into sales. Next thing you'll do is set up your landing page. Make sure you create a solid opt-in page that offers something valuable, whether it's a free ebook or a webinar that relates to the product you're promoting. This is key to getting your visitors to give you their email in exchange for the lead magnet. GetResponse has a variety of design options for landing pages, but don't expect to have the most advanced customization options here. You'll likely need to use third-party integrations for more advanced design flexibility. The fourth thing to consider is email marketing. GetResponse has a great autoresponder feature that will help you set up email sequences for your leads. But here's the catch, you'll need to be extra careful about your email copy. While GetResponse does offer email marketing tools, it's not quite as intuitive as some other platforms. You can segment your audience, but it could be a bit more advanced in its approach, especially for affiliate marketers who need precise targeting. Next thing, let's talk about automation. The automation in GetResponse is decent, but again, it's not as flexible as other platforms when it comes to setting up complex sequences. If you're just getting started and don't mind a bit of a learning curve, GetResponse might be enough for you. However, if you're an experienced affiliate marketer and need better control over your automation, you might want to explore other tools. So, now that we've covered how to set up an affiliate marketing funnel in GetResponse, here's where I'll mention the catch. While GetResponse can work for your basic funnel setup, there are better options available. One such alternative that I highly recommend is alternative software. It offers an extended free trial and comes with advanced automation, more customizable templates, and better support for affiliate marketing. And don't worry, I'll leave the link to that in the description so you can check it out yourself. In the end, it's all about getting the best tools for the job, and while GetResponse does a lot of things well, alternative software just takes affiliate marketing funnels to the next level. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits only available to my viewers. Make sure to grab that free trial and start building your funnel today.